What's up everybody? I'm Steve and you're watching SV's Auto, and today we're finally getting back to working on the bus. So come check it out. So last time we had cut out this dog leg portion here, and I had ordered some dog legs, which are sitting over here. I got these from Bus Depot. They're not sponsoring this or anything, but they did ship these to me. And so now I need to figure out how I'm going to remove this one and get ready to start fitment on the replacement panels that I have. So what I think the plan of action is I'm going to go ahead and jack up this corner of the bus here and get that tire off so that I can get to the back side of those spot welds on that. See if I can find them, start drilling them out so that we can get this other panel prepped. So got junk in there I need to move out of the way. So I think that's our plan of action for the day. We're going to get this wheel off. We're going to get bus jacked up a little bit. See if we can start finding some of those tacks or those spot welds and see if we can get this thing removed. Okay, so it's up. You can see the new dog leg there and the part that needs to be removed. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a paint marker and just kind of map out on this old dog leg the pieces that I do not need. And then I think I'm going to take the plasma cutter and see if I can cut some of the metal away so that I can access the spot welds a little easier. Hopefully that'll work. Like I said, I'm going to compare the two, make sure I'm not cutting away anything that I need to weld to, and just kind of get rid of some of the bulk of this to hopefully make things a little easier for me. Okay, so I marked it out. I think that's going to work for me. Just trying to be careful not to cut anything, like I said, that's necessary to weld to. But I think I'm okay here. I'm just going to cut out a bulk of this and just kind of see what we've got after that, and then go from there as on how to remove the rest of it. Okay, well, I got to cut away. Got a lot of cleaning up to do so I can get to the spot welds and get the rest of it out. But pretty good progress for today. Thanks for watching another episode of SV's Auto. Next time we're going to continue to work on these spot welds, get this area prepped so that we can get our dog leg in. So make sure you come back and join us for that.